Hello and welcome to the Olares channel. In this video, we'll walk through the process of setting up DeerFlow on your Olares device, complete with Ollama integration and Tavily for web research. DeerFlow is an open source framework that transforms a simple research topic into a comprehensive, detailed report. Before we begin, you will need to have Ollama already installed. First, let's open Market. On the main page, find or search for DeerFlow and click Get Install, and wait for the installation to complete. Next, we need to get a search API key. DeerFlow officially recommends Tavily Search, so that's what we are going to use. Navigate to the Tavily website, sign up for a free account, and copy your API key. Keep this key handy for a later step. DeerFlow can use many different models, and in this video, we are going to use a local model, Cogito 14b. Open Ollama. In the terminal, use the list command to verify that Cogito 14b is installed. If the model isn't there, you can install it with the pull command. Before launching DeerFlow, we need to configure Ollama to allow DeerFlow to access it. In the Olares Settings app, navigate to Applications and find Ollama. Click on Ollama API. Change the Ollama API's authentication level to internal and click Submit to save. Now, click on Setup Endpoint. Copy the Ollama API's front-end address and keep it handy. We'll need it later. Now let's configure DeerFlow itself. This involves editing its main configuration file. I'll show you two ways to do this. The first method uses the graphical interface. Open the Files app and navigate to Application, Data, DeerFlow, and then the app folder. You'll find a configuration file named conf.yaml. Download this file to your computer. Open the file with a text editor or an IDE like Visual Studio. We need to modify the default model settings. For base URL, paste the Ollama API front-end address you copied earlier, and be sure to add /v1 to the end. For model, enter Cogito:14b. For API key, you can enter any text as long as the field is not empty. Save the file. Go back to the Files app, delete the original configuration file, then upload your updated version. Alternatively, for those who prefer the command line, open Control Hub and find the host path for DeerFlow's app folder. Copy this path. Open the Olares terminal right from Control Hub to access the host machine and navigate to the copied path to edit the file directly. Next, we'll add our search engine settings. Browse to your DeerFlow instance and find the config maps section. Click on DeerFlow-config, click the edit icon in the top right corner. We need to add two new entries. First, add a key named Search API with the value Tavily. Second, add a key named Tavily API key and paste your actual Tavily API key as the value. Click Confirm to save the changes. You may need to click away and back to this page to see the new entries. With our configuration complete, the final step is to restart the service. Under Deployments, find DeerFlow and click Restart. A pop-up will ask for confirmation. Type DeerFlow and click Confirm. This will take a few moments. We're just waiting for this status icon here to turn green, and we'll know the service has successfully restarted. Open DeerFlow from the Launchpad. Click Get Started and enter your research topic in the text box. For this example, we'll use what explains the luxury appeal of Labubu dolls. Click the wand icon in the bottom right corner to have DeerFlow refine the prompt. Enable the investigation mode. For writing style, let's select Popular Science. Now send. DeerFlow will first generate a research plan. You can edit this plan by clicking Edit Plan, which will add the plan to the input box. But for this demo, we'll let it proceed. After a short time, you'll have a detailed analysis report. You can review the research process by clicking on the Activities tab. You can also edit the report directly using Markdown syntax. Click the Edit button to enter editing mode. Here you can adjust formatting or even select a section and ask the AI to improve or expand on it. Click Edit again to exit. You may notice a warning icon in the citation section. This is a reminder that AI models can sometimes generate fake links, so it's always good to verify them. DeerFlow also supports text-to-speech models, like Dubao TTS, allowing you to convert any report into an MP3 podcast. The configuration process is similar to setting up the search engine. To save your work, click the Download button. The report will be saved to your local machine as a Markdown file. Finally, DeerFlow can be extended with external tools using the Model Context Protocol or MCP. For example, adding the Fetch server gives the AI powerful web scraping abilities, allowing it to convert live HTML into clean Markdown for analysis. You're now ready to use DeerFlow for your own deep research projects. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.